Okay, what is up, you guys? Oh my god, I know it's been a year. We're not gonna talk about it in this video. But anyway,
I'm back, bitch.
It's been literally forever. But since you guys enjoyed my Lashify video so much, it only took me a year to come back with another video. You guys, I went to Ulta today and I was browsing and I just felt like a crackhead, and I spent the last $20 that I had on Falscara. I've heard about Falscara before. I didn't hear good or bad things, but I am running out of my Lashify glue and I don't have time or the money right now to order another one. I don't have high expectations for this just because I don't hear too much about it, but I also want to try it and see if this is something that I could actually use. And I bought this, and hell no, I'm not gonna use the lashes that come with it. They look so little. That's just not my vibe, so we're gonna throw those away. So instead, what I've been doing with my Lashify glue is that I've been just buying, you know, these cheaper lashes. They're nothing crazy. Actually, I've never tried this specific pair, but I always look for the lashes that have like the invisible band or a really small band. I pretty much use those in replacement of my Gossomers. I just really want to finesse the look of lash extensions because that's my favorite look. I just don't have the money right now to get lash extensions. Long story short, I was fired from my job, so now I actually have time to make videos. I have no excuse, so yeah. I believe there's another kit that has everything. It comes with this duo adhesive similar to Lashify's. If I could find it, I'll show you guys, but it comes with that, and it comes with tweezers. You guys, I've never purchased a Lashify tweezers. I always just use my own tweezers. I had to buy this separate. This was like $10, but this is a sealant. You apply this at the end to ensure that it lasts long. I'm just going to get the lashes that I bought separately, and I'm going to cut them into really small pieces, mimicking Gossamer. So I'll be right back. So it was this, and now it's this. So it says the first thing is to bond. So brush a light coat of bond onto natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Pretty much just put this stuff, the Garnier Micellar Water, over my lid and then over my lashes. So I have clean lashes, but I'm just going to apply this underneath. So I'm going to use this one the same way as I would use the other Lashify glue. So I'm basically going to just apply a dot of it right here. But I'm going to use tweezers, the little lash piece in it. So like you're dipping chips in salsa. But it just looks like that. And then now I'm just going to apply it and then see how it sticks. So I'm praying to God this sticks. Yes, it's stuck. If this works just as good as the Lashify or better, I am switching over because this is cheaper, hella cheaper. I believe this kit was like $20 or $24, and then the glue, I think the glue is actually the same. It's more accessible, that's for sure, because you can't buy Lashify at Ulta. Come on. Yay! But next, I'm super used to this application because this is how I always do my lashes. Oh my god, yes. Oh,
Yes.
Yes, honey.
you guys, do you see this? But I'm actually still kind of confused. Like, do I need to use this seal? Okay, there's a seal. Okay, I'm just gonna, it says, down a thin coat of seal under wisps. This final touch eliminates stickiness, residue holds Falscara in place. So I'm just gonna put that like underneath. I think that's what that means. Remove that. But you guys, these are the lashes. These are the motherfucking lashes. I'm gonna use these to fuse my real lashes together. I'm shook at how these look. These look so good. I think the real question though is how are these gonna last? Like, are these all gonna fall off in the morning?
Bitch.
You're kidding. It's these lashes though, because if I put the lashes that came with this kit, it would not look like this. It would look, I would look like a little kid. Because I'm fucking crazy. I want to curl them. Actually, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna do it at the end, but I'm gonna repeat all this on the other side, so I'll be right back. Here is the reveal. All right, you guys, I loved how these...
Boy, if you don't...
Here is my son, Bentley. Hi, Bentley. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I will keep you guys updated in the comments how they last, or I may just film a whole nother video and talk about it briefly. I just wanted to post a video for you guys and try to get back in the swing of things. I hope you all are doing well. Comment something down below, something positive, something good that happened to you this week, because I need positive energy in my life so bad, because shit has been hitting the fan. But you know what, we're still here, we're still trying, showing up for ourselves, just taking it one day at a time. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more of me, please don't forget to subscribe. I forget where it is, I think it's up here, and click on the notification bell so you can be alerted every time I post. But I love you guys so much, and God bless. Bye.